Hello everyone, hope you all doing well. Welcome back. This is Chef Manish here with another recipe. So today I'm gonna cook snapper, whole snapper into tagine. We call it tagine. This is what we have, tagine here. So this is a traditional Moroccan dish and I'm gonna cook it inside this pot. So it's gonna go with the vegetables and all in there, and yeah. So when you go buying fish from the supermarket, there are a few little tips to have a look fish if it's fresh or not. First thing, just you're gonna smell the fish. It should not be smelling like fishy, just nice and fresh. And the second thing, you're gonna look through the eyes. It should not be really red, just nice original color, just a little bit red should be fine. And if you run through your finger on the fish, should not be slippery, just wet. You can feel the wetness there, but not slippery. So preparing fish, we need to score it first. A score will allow fish to cook evenly, and it will allow to get all the flavor inside the fish evenly as well. So we just go through down here. Same the other side as well. And we just keep it on the side. Alright, and to marinate fish, we're gonna make chermoula. It is really easy and simple. A sauce with the parsley, coriander, few garlic, lemon juice, and normally they use cayenne pepper. I'm using chili flakes instead of cayenne pepper, and sweet paprika, and here I've got some cumin powder. So let's start. We're just gonna put it all in the blender and blitz it through. There you go, parsley in here, some coriander, chili flakes. You can avoid chili flakes if you don't want to spicy your dish. And paprika gonna give your dish a bit color. Also lemon juice. Just make our dish a bit lemony also. Just a bit salt also as well. The garlic go in there, and the olive oil gonna be last after blazing it. Might need to push it down a little bit. Those. Just before finishing it, we're gonna add olive oil in there. Get nice mix in there. So if you can see, it's nice, all breaks down. Alright, while we prepare our veggies for the fish, this is gonna sit in the marination for a while, for 5 to 10 minutes. Put some inside also. So those are the vegetables gonna go into the tagine. And before we put in the tagine dish, we're gonna saute our onion. Just a bit olive oil. Onion and garlic goes in. We're just gonna kind of cook just halfway through, just caramelizing onion. Caramelization over here. And then we're gonna add our carrots and bell pepper. As you can see, we're going to put our tagine here. Turn this into a dish. Just deflate it with the water a little bit. And then fish just going to sit on top of the dish here. All the leftover sauce here, it's gonna go on top of the fish. And the key ingredients here is preserved lemons, and that's what we're gonna add into dish now, and green olives. So we're gonna just chop it up. We got 1/2 lemon, so we're gonna add half while we're cooking the fish and half on top of the fish after cook. just as a garnish. It tastes really nice, gives really nice taste to the dish, like sweet, savory, a little bit buttery, you know. So it's gonna go up here. For the olives, we just take olives whole as it is. We don't need to chop it up, just sprinkle it around the fish. And that's all. We're gonna keep it in the medium heat, cover it, and cook it for 20 minutes. Now it's time to garnish this beautiful dish with some fresh parsley. Just roughly chop and preserved lemon. And go on top here. Now it's time to check the fish if it's cooked very nicely, you see, falling apart, beautiful.